Reconciling surcharges in PayPack is easy. On a sales order, if you go to the PayPack Data tab, and then PayPack Charge Log, you will see a successful charge, which includes the original amount, the surcharge amount, and the total amount, which includes the surcharge. Additionally, within the PayPack Charge Log, it will automatically create an invoice transaction that separates the surcharge amount so it does not modify the original sales order transaction. In the surcharge invoice, PayPack uses a payment or non-inventory item listed here below. If you open up this payment item, it can be configured to point to the appropriate account for GL tracking. NetSuite will automatically mark the invoice paid in full for the surcharge transaction, because PayPack creates the customer payment attached to the invoice. The payment record will include the Stripe charge ID under the PayPack fields. Once the Stripe payout reconciles in the next few days, this payment record will be marked as deposited. Here is the deposit record that is generated by the Stripe payout with the surcharge payment automatically reconciled.